So I think the biggest thing here is this 5% threshold of bots, spam, fake accounts, however you want to describe them. Why is this so crucial to Elon Musk, and why is this so important for Twitter overall?
Well, it's funny because we were hearing about misdirection in Bezos and Biden, but maybe this is a bit of misdirection from Elon Musk. Sure, he's said that part of his business model or philosophy for how he's going to revamp Twitter is by reducing the number of spam accounts and bots. But unfortunately, you don't get to conduct due diligence or ask questions about a company after you sign a contract to buy the company. He had that window in advance of signing the $54.20 a share offer, and he waived the right to due diligence. So if he has concerns about the business, unfortunately, that window has passed. Unless there's material adverse things that he was not made aware of, basically what he's saying is roughly meaningless, except to Twitter shareholders, because by tweeting that, he tanked Twitter's share price and has now opened the door to what everyone thinks is going on, which is an attempt to buy Twitter at a much lower price, because he knows that Twitter, without his $54.20 share bid, is effectively not worth anything anywhere near that right now with the tech sell-off. And so what he has done is basically injected fear into the hearts of Twitter shareholders, which is in turn going to inject fear into the heart of Twitter's board, because if this deal goes away entirely, then they will have destroyed a lot of shareholder value.
Yeah, a lot of fear in the market in general, especially when it comes to mega cap tech like Twitter. So you're saying that he signed his name on the dotted line. There's not really a way out, but it seems like he may potentially be trying to figure a way out that doesn't seem apparent to all of us. But let's just say this moves forward. Can he actually get Twitter for a lower price?
It's possible. I mean, ultimately, it's a call. The board, it's sort of like brinksmanship, right? So a similar story happened during the pandemic. If you remember when Bernard Arnault's LVMH was buying Tiffany's, and Arnault effectively concocted a ruse with the French government to basically say that the French government had concerns about its transaction and its purchase of Tiffany. And then he was able to ultimately, despite Tiffany's objections, secure a slightly lower price to buy the company, because Tiffany knew that it would be much worse off without taking that offer. And so there is precedent for basically scaring the shareholders of the target board, but both sides will have to basically go to the brink until there is some sort of resolution there, if that is the case. Equally, Musk could walk away and just pay $1 billion break fee, which if he begins to think that, well, I'm worth $200 billion or so, and I'm about to spend quite a bit to buy Twitter and it's not worth what I'm buying for, maybe paying $1 billion to walk away isn't the end of the world. Equally, he might try to just not pay the $1 billion. So there is a lot left to play for here.